Me don't know what them a pre-bout. A keynote. Can't press me like remote. Them say them a clean, but I like that. Me a step up in a left, them I like that. Me a burn them out like newspaper. Put a fire upon a hater. After me try so hard, then want me feel, want me pop down and lose my faith. Them no want hear me mother drink sorry. Every day them blessed love, guys. Blessed love, blessed love, blessed love. Welcome back to Kino Life in Jamaica. I know you guys probably missing me for the last couple of days. You know, I know you must probably saying, where is Kino? We haven't seen no video from the house opening. You know, like, yeah, man. I was literally disappeared for 2 days. So back on the journey. You know, the journey never stops. It's always continue. You know, I'm gonna say, yo, I want to thank everyone, you know, all the support for Wow Chef, you know, who was there, you know, who was watching, all the support that we get for the house opening. We thank you so much to our extended family. Well, you guys is more than a family. I'm not even lying, you know, it's more than a family to be on that journey from them times till now. Trust me. It's a wonderful experience, man. And I said there's nothing done. We give thanks every time. It's nothing but love, you know. I remember we cannot never forget the Almighty, you know. We always have to make sure we give thanks, you know, each and every day. We thank the Almighty because trust me, if it wasn't for the Creator, hey, who knows what would have been happening, you know. So we give thanks for the Creator, always there for us, you know. But yes, guys, I must say it's been a blessing. It's been a journey, you know. So today's mission, right? I want to get there's the overcomers, you know, the overcomers that have always been there, our extended family. Also, the overcomers that do the back to school treat. The overcomers we never stop hear that name say we shall overcome, you know. So we shall overcome again. So with the cranberry and our mom, you know, and our sisters, them, you know, the overcomers want to get them a bed, you know, because trust me, there's so many people contact me about bed, you know, but overcomers was the first one to contact me, you know. So we're gonna get them a bed today, you know, because they already spoke to the furniture man. So we have to go and get it somewhere up close to Papi inside. Yes, we have to get it to Papi inside because that's where it's closer to where they live, you know, by Mama River, half Garden Town. So that's where we're going to get it today, you know, and deliver it as well and give them some donation, you know. So I would say we thank you guys for the support, you know, of what's been getting for the cranberry, you know, and our family. You know, we thank you so much as well for reaching out, you know, because I'm telling you, you know, the extended family, you guys done so much, you know, so much. Only for like people to realize like the empathy, you know, the compassion, like literally the love you have in your heart just to say you're gonna do it to someone because they're in dire need that they're in, you know. Trust me, it is something else, you know. And you guys continue to fuel this engine, you know, for me to continue on the journey, you know. I'm say it might seem rough, you know, but that's only a part of the journey, which is I have to endure it, you know, because this journey is there for me to do. It's my purpose. So, and I give thanks to my dream team members that align and hand the journey with me as well too. And it's not easy to be on this journey, trust me. You know, you have to set a pace and you have to maintain because it's not easy, man. So literally now there's someone that posted something, I think it's from where? Is it Australia? For Damari. I don't remember which country they posted something from, but I got the phone call, said the package is there, you know, and I guess it's for Damari. So I'm heading to Whitfield, you know, on Walter Park Road, you know, to pick up this package for Damari also, and then heading to Trenchtown, sort out some stuff, and then all of that, and just head down there quick and fast, you know, and then now we end up to Miami River. Oh, light changing me again. Yes guys, so thank you so much for watching Kina Life in Jamaica, and please, if you reach this far and you're watching and you like the program, please put the thumbs up. If you really like this program, you know, kindly put the thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed, subscribe, and when you do, you see where the bell is, hit the notification bell, and if you can select the option, you know, you get some option is there, you can choose. So either way you choose, now you choose all. So that means that you won't miss a notification, because a lot of people complain, say, Kino, they're not getting any notification. So it's the thing is this, yeah, whenever you subscribe and hit the bell, you also have to select the options. They give you options where you can select all notifications. So you select all, so you won't miss nothing. You know, when you just select the bell only, you would miss notification, you know. So, and if you're watching for your TV, you can also go on your smartphone, you know, and just subscribe if you haven't subscribed. You know, if you're watching it, you don't know how to do it from your TV, you can also do it from your phone, you know. But thank you guys for your love and your support. Thank you. Hope you're having a wonderful Christmas anywhere you are, you know, because I know it's Christmas, it's that season. It is that season, guys. It's busy season right now, so yes. So I will be jumping soon. So guys, so stay tuned. Whitfield Post Office. You guys, I'm at the post office. Hello, good afternoon. I'm here to pick up a package. Kino. So I'm at the post office. You know, because you know people do still send stuff through post office same way in Jamaica. I guess from my address where I live, this is where I have to come, in Whitfield, you know. So this is my region, pick up is Whitfield, so that's where I have to come. Whitfield, pick it up. Nobody now here. So I guess I'm the only one waiting. So in Whitfield is my region for picking up anything from the post office. So whenever you're sending anything, you know, this is where you have to come. So they're gonna check. But it's here because I got the phone call, so I got nothing to worry about. So it's here.
For 1,260 days.
So here's the package.
The dragon descended.
It's not a big, it's a mini package.
They were cleared out of heaven, not a sign of them had. The great dragon.
Yes, so I just pick up the package. Mitch, Mitch, See it here, Michibo. Australia. Guys, it's coming all the way from Australia. Yeah. So this package is coming all the way from Australia. From Michibo. Give yourself Michibo. Thank you so much. So this package is for that Mari. Yeah. Australia. Welcome to Jamaica. All the way Jamaica. So guys, so on the way back into Trenchtown right now. So I'm on Walton Park Road. Well, blessed love, guys. So I'm here in Trenchtown now. You know, so we're literally head up to Miami River. I'm gonna head up to Popping first to get the bed, and then head up to Miami River. You know, so that's the mission right now. So we're gonna head out. No, I'm gonna see him. No. Chunks there? I'm gonna work. My work? Chunks at work? Then is there paint?
Yeah, me a paint. You know, me a paint on me. Every time me a paint, me drop.
I yourself a paint up.
And I'm like that, Josh. I paint myself. I don't know why. I'm a paint in a kino, and I like some throw the paint from me. I paint so up, down, up, down.
Oh,
every time I paint, I say it always that.
More like you throw the paint on yourself.
Every time I paint the house, man, I paint up, you know. You don't ever do my little thing, you know.
Yeah.
Like this so.
Boy, them said that first they never expect Denny to that speech the other night.
Yes, you know.
Them say, boy, normal Dennis come and joke, and but them say never expect that.
Yeah, man, I saw it go, man. When I ramping time.
Yeah.
When I serious time. And I saw it go, just I come out for the hard work.
Yeah, so Dennis' speech or the serious speech.
Yeah, man.
Ever hear make a lot of sense, you know?
Yeah, that is fact.
Come in that year, Shata. Say, yeah, give them it, Denny.
Yeah, I'm tell you, you know, I feel like 19 I come up on me in the house, you know. Yes, me have to just go wall it. I don't know if you have to look good.
Yeah.
You see, because you know, so somebody said to me, and said, Dennis, you look so like.
Yeah.
Like, you want, me tell listen to the 19, I mean, I feel wall it, I feel quench it, you know.
Yeah, that get in their spirit.
I feel it, man, and 19 I go.
Serious, but she paint from head to foot, but I laugh foot back. I never want foot back can paint to us. I'm here judgment, I want, watch a cleaner. Watch it.
Everywhere she paint. You know what Dennis I do? I hear everywhere. Like she saying, I paint myself so everybody can say I'm painting too. Right?
That should have for
from a little to little, it's a mere paint. So,
I want to see the wall.
Foot back toe, nails, slippers, shoes, clothes, ears, everywhere get paint. Chunks there?
I'm always paint and can call me Kino.
Esther, how you not call her?
No, the wall not getting on. The wall get painted. That paint herself.
Esther said she don't have an answer for her place.
No, Esther.
Cheers! I want to
find place can call me, yeah? Paint you, free of cost. That's not a there.
That's Hero.
Yeah, and I say, say, Esther now come, Hero say me call me. Like, Hero say me give me a call.
The one not get none Kino.
That's Hero.
Everybody I get it.
That is Hero.
Yeah.
That is Hero. That's not Kino, that's Hero.
And the Kino that join a Hero.
It's a Kino right here.
Alright,
That's Hero right there.
Oh God.
Oh, I lie.
Yeah, she can't see so good. And all
Joan,
one ear she ear out.
I hold this stand up here, sir.
One ear she ear out. That ear the ear to Joan.
move your backside.
Yeah. One ear the ear out. That ear the.
Me hear what I talk but me not hear.
Kina a one ear she ear out. She ear out one ear coming to carry God doctor.
Don't put Joan that's
Me carry God
You can
doctor.
have nothing to give you. You can't hear her, you can't if it's You cannot hear her.
I can't hear what one of these.
Which one of them? Which one of ear out? This she ear out.
Yeah, this.
But she can't hear out of this one. Coming to carry God doctor, you know. I did for them. She need to do one test.
Yeah, what she want here, right?
She want here. Say someone know it, like a little mix up, and I tell you.
And she will
No, me
hear.
not got ear. Me not got
Serious
ear.
business. That one ear she ear out of the truth. She ear out of one ears.
Yeah.
And she can't see.
Oh, so she hear out of one and listen out of one.
No, she ear out of one and she can't hear out of another.
But me can't see good though.
So
But
she
she
hear
wear
out,
her glasses.
she hear out of one ears and listen out of
That's
one.
why she call ear Kino.
No, that means she not see.
Right.
And look out of one. You see out of one eye
No
and
sweat did it by
and
you.
look out of one.
Kino, when she have on the glass, her eye sharp. You have to be
Yeah.
careful.
Oh,
Yeah, the eyeglass. And some white people, they carry the eyeglass, you know.
yeah.
Yeah.
Ears sharp.
No, her ears are it's coming like a razor blade.
Say that what's a hearing aid are good for you.
Yeah, one ear in here. That's good for her. For two man, I feel it come. One ear she ear out.
Okay.
She ear out of this ears. So when she when you look, it's when you talk, look she in the head. Cause she other ears that she ear out.
You see that, man?
I'm a grandmother, I'm a grandfather. That's her mother and father.
Yeah, wife and husband.
Miss Lottie! Miss Lottie! There be the father. Oh.
Need one more person.
Hey, husband. Oh, the boy have their mother and their father. Okay. They're up on the ring.
Alright guys, but you see most of the guys them is on the road, you know, Boom just arrived from work, you know, Wow Chef gone on the road, Rasta Jacks at work, you know, Light Parks at work, so most of the members them Talpi, you know, everyone always go to get them little roast, so you know, most of them is on the road, so we probably was going to need a next person to come so we can go over the river with the bed. So we're going to work it out. So we're going to go there and see whosoever will come help us, if they can bring it over with us as well. So we're going to make that move now before we start to get caught in any traffic. You know, but first we're going to drop off the married package, and then with a donation, then just honor our way. You know, so we're going to do that right now, right now. Good day.
No monkey nowadays. Move the curtain.
Come, puppy.
Leave it.
Go, puppy.
Bite him. Bite you.
Come on, Papi.
Oh God. Yeah, the leg bag them are. You know that, right? In your paint. Wow, man, decorate. Seeing Christmas. Now we're seeing Christmas time. Christmas. Yeah, the leg bag. This, you see the one, yeah? I eat that, right? Oh, this one package for you from Michibu, all the way from Australia. I think the socks of a yeah. I was trying to say, open this for the first one. I think the medicated one, something for your legs or something. Well,
You have no knife.
Your knife and something scissors.
But I have lighter.
Just put at the meantime. Michibu. That's coming from all the way from Australia and another post. All the way from Australia, so that's a little hour. Oh, for the circulation problem. So that good for the circulation problem. Yeah. Yeah, so that she said that good for the circulation problem.
Over the foot for them, sheet and curtain. Not a black bag.
This?
It's upon the black bag, there's a sheet and curtain.
So it's a special type of socks, and that for the like a massage, like a foot. Like rub it under your foot bottom or behind or so. It's like a rub it so. Like no, and a turn and you just rub it. I can rub it like under your foot, like a roll it. Yeah. With the bar as well too. So these are the socks that are coming out. So it's from Michibu from Australia.
Michibu from Australia. Big thanks, you know, make your food basket. Appreciate it a lot, you know?
Yeah, so it's Michibu from Australia. So I will see this. That's how it. See this guy?
No, I'm saying no. Just rub it on my foot.
Yeah. Your neck back, you know, so I also have a donation from Anonymous from Pennsylvania. So now all of it against them. So we have $14,000 from Anonymous from Pennsylvania. So call that.
And Anonymous from Pennsylvania. Thanks with your food basket. Everyone appreciate it.
Then so yeah man, so we give thanks to Anonymous, you know, from Pennsylvania, you know, we thank you so much, and also Michibu from Australia, we thank you so much for the package for the Mari, you know, it reached safe, you know, the socks, and the yoga thing for his foot and also neck back and the bar can help with the situation. So we give thanks Michidu. You know, thank you so much. It's coming a long way. We go feed, but him say man go look. Yeah? Alright, let's say bless up. Alright, look at it. Alright, so we'll give them, thank you so much, we thank you from Pennsylvania for the donation, Anonymous. No, can't borrow it. Yeah, give me it back. Yeah, give me it back. You say one borrow my camera, man, give me it back.
See you back so. Let's go get the cup.
Which channel?
Right hand one.
In my knowledge. Picture. What go on? Next time, yeah? Next time, yeah? Picture. Hey, the spirit take woman. Come buy a juice, come. Come buy a juice for you. You want juice? No? No juice.
We want. Papa.
Papa serious. Papa next time, yeah? Papa. While I'm moving, go on. Man, pull all them hand. Yeah. You buy juice.
May I bring back one for you?
Yeah, bring back.
Shall buy one for you. Shall buy one for you.
Shall buy one for you. Look now. Shall buy one for you, yeah? Shall buy one for you.
Shall buy one for you, man.
Huh?
You take a cross and then take a cup.
Yeah, catch with the vehicle. Alright guys, so we're gonna buy the bed up. Bring it, yeah. So we literally we're up here in Papine, you know. So the furniture place is somewhere. Let me say on the right. Let me say the only furniture place. Yeah. So looking for the furniture place to see what it look like. Diamond cut. So we purchased the bed. So now we're gonna get a vehicle to a transportation to bring the bed around to the river. You know, so a subscriber who watch the program who saw me, who is from Miami Riverside, and she's gonna help me to get a vehicle to bring it around.
One bed, Bama River. Ronabina. Come now, come do my
Yeah.
Rona furniture.
How much that? Nah, kidding me. Alright. I want to say they're in a furniture place. Esther. This quick, yeah?
Alright, that's no problem.
Alright, so right away guys, right away you should get a vehicle for us. You know, so to the vehicle, so we're gonna load it up and then head around there. So, thanks, yeah, we get
Alright.
yeah, we're gonna use the program. A good mattress, man. Esther, good mattress. So, thick. Yeah. Yeah. Can you hear the music I him?
Oh, that's the man?
Yeah, alright guys, so here's what's gonna happen, right? So the driver is gonna take it on top of the road so we can come down, you know, by the house instead of we go and cross the river. So taking it from the original direction and then gonna go up on top of the road through this place to see if it's easier. So the driver is up there almost already. I'll drive a bit further before him, so we'll go in the original direction. It's been raining as well to say most of the rocks then it's gonna be a bit slippery. I hope the river don't come down, so it's hard to cross. Let me see. So this is a bit the problem coming down with the rocks them? Yeah. With it. Boma! So rain been falling. That's one run and jump cross, man. Boom, come. Sure. Come make a more hold the camera. More hold the camera, we go for that. You can't do the jump. Come in the water again at the last time. So.
Just left here on the last side.
At the same man. The concrete is low in your side. So.
Nothing but the rope. Nothing but it.
Bowa. Let's come across now. It's like not deeper than how it was. Not deeper than how it was. Put your foot in the water, man. So, come on, you're good. Just stand up in the water, man. It now lick your way. Just come up in the water and come. At the same for the same, I can walk in and say. Cranberry! 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 Call your mommy. Tell her to come meet me at the top of the road. Top of the road. Put on one better blouse than that. Put on change your top, man.
Change the top.
Come. Come in, boom. So guys, so this is the direction. See how other people live here? See, also have other people that lives here as well. I hope the driver not come and gone. And that what should I do? Wow. Pia tires. Driver. Yo. Wow.
Go on.
Think we can watch this though.
Yeah, go on. Go on.
I see well guys, confusion. So the driver come up here and him gone back to where we park. Imagine that now. So we have to head back down. Run is so easier though. So we have to go head back where we park. So this is what we were telling the driver. So now we have to go head back down. It's like a fitness day today. Yo! Yo, we just reach up here. And them say you drive gone. Yo! Yeah, the driver show up. Yo, driver! Driver! Eh? But we just reach and them say you're gone. Alright then. Him say my come back. A Julie. Him say my come back round. Him my come back round.
A drill.
So wait, running so easier?
Yes. Which way easier, boom?
Yes, sir.
Where?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, sir?
So about to come up on the area, so we don't get on the hill already.
But you're going to get custom you got it
It's come like a drill, the driver drill with. Gotcha. Oh, go on. A soldier training boom. Yeah. Good fitness. It's a good fitness, guys, when I lie. See, if we go walk aside here. Road here, so if we go walk from boom. Road here, so. It's a good exercise. You need more of this, Esther. You need more of this. You start set yet. Blackie, you want to come back round? You want to come back round? So you make it help me, yeah?
Yeah, man.
Okay, help me. You good though, Blackie? Okay, so them see up on the YouTube. Them see up on the YouTube. Them see up.
I know cranberry, I know.
She know me cranberry, she know me cran. What happened? Good. Mission.
There.
Where your mommy there? Where you never put her in slippers?
Put your slippers can
I run, come on.
Nah then.
But them normally know say people always ask me why more before. Come like another motor.
So now motor baruka. Now motor baruka it is. Yeah. Nana. Toko loco. What?
High five.
High five.
Give me a high five. Why you like
Then go school today?
Yes.
Go
Every
school.
time my mother sent me to school.
Okay.
Yeah, me catch it up.
My mother take it up and throw it. I throw it tight. So I say, Mommy, it's tight. I want to pull it.
Everyone else well. So how was school today?
Nice.
Nice. The dance?
Sure, then I want video. Like a music video, but Christmas song. They
Oh.
normally have it at school.
Okay.
But about 2 times now she join.
Okay. Toko Loco, what about you? What you do at school today? Toko?
You know that?
You not attack? Toko face.
Poker tomboy.
Yeah, Toko the rough one. One of the granny and one of the mommy. She had cranberry at the granny. She and mommy. Toko Loco the rough one. Yes. Hello.
So my crocs look. I wash mine back. Wash it.
Wash your crooks.
Kima, how much you come for my crocs? She said we take off 1 or 5. So my mother said, I'll solve here. And look now my one full. So she asked me, oh, it looks so. So I say, I
said
saw mine come.
Yeah.
You like them?
Yeah, them pretty. We need to dash them and wipe them now. All the clothes are weird. Wash them out, put them out back. Mama sit down, bye.
Toko, eh.
Give me a
Hold this. You and your sisters there. And your mommy.
Thank you very much. And same to you.
Yeah.
Everything my mother sent me, I follow.
Yeah.
So you tell the woman what me say? The one where will send the money?
Yeah, them watch the video, so whenever they say it, them see it.
So tell them thank you very much for the money that they send him to me to go to school. I'm going to school today.
Okay.
When school holiday?
Next week.
And
The 18th.
Oh, the 18th. Every school has the holiday
After
the
class
18th.
party.
then I'm going to bring food to me. Mommy, principal said who get trouble, she not about to bring the food.
My turn. I make one thing.
Then we have to climb in come up one thing.
Catch him things so we go drive come here so.
Oh, we are things stone here.
Yeah, catch you always go ahead. Yeah. Give him here.
You can't drive us up through avoid the river.
You know, avoid the river now, you know the shortcut.
Come down.
Boom. Me, I'll bring it out.
Excuse me, that way, sister.
Yeah, but I say a patrol there, eh? Yeah, a patrol there.
Excuse me to the way.
But me,
Come. You're not for free, yeah?
what's it not like on?
Oh, I'm mastica.
I follow the camera.
You might know can carry. Oh, follow you go. Yeah. Excuse
Yeah, do you pay it or it better so or you carry?
Excuse, sister.
What talk? What talk about it?
And she says, sister, excuse. Where to learn one, you know? Oh, no.
Watch on a step.
Nah, everybody has said it. I saw me band.
Yeah, black is beautiful.
Thank you. Yeah, who to learn one? Walking around. Please, sister.
The dog and the cat.
My show is.
Okay, this is a drill. You're doing a drill. Only the fittest and the fittest will survive. Yes.
Move Tabuka.
What's the dog name?
Tabuka.
Tabuka.
Yes.
Ooh, be careful right there. Why the dog them doing it?
Because shock.
What shock?
The ground.
Oh,
Some, I would tell the people when my daughter tell my mother, you know.
so on have on slippers and it on have like where I run on the ground.
We step over it.
I'm thinking that carrot from the start.
Someone.
Hey, yeah. Watch your step. These are some tires with dirt, so they make it as a step. Wise idea. Cranberry run it out, no?
I told him to put that tune. That's what I'm
You put that out there? How comes?
I have some cutting on my phone.
Okay. Ooh. Oh no. Why the dog not go on and stop? Why? Wait there. No, wait not all are. Why? No, wala lift her up. Do. She want to lift up.
Come.
Oh, you put her for your back. Huh? I can't pass. Wait, let me pass.
Buy it for them.
Wait, let me pass. Why them dog here? Them could have helped. That bad and not so bad. Sure. So, more tire.
You're not really that far.
I don't walk the way here more than the river way. No, I'm gonna find a way to walk in the river. I'm not to cross it. I'm gonna go straight or turn. I'm gonna go, sir, straight? Oh. So them dog, yeah, only if them could have helped. Them just know. Wait there. No, sir. Me tell you. Eh? Them fit, man. Afternoon. Boomy made it. So why not back? Why?
Then I got all time.
I like now work. Boat blue. Things. Sorry, Toko. Pero kan dah bol. Oh, until I say the whole plan was for the two of them could have wall. They look small, so let's see how I go on. Eh? So you see me, I tell you, man. Reach already? Yeah. Yeah. You want help yourself? Want help? Yeah, good.
Yeah, turning.
Turn, go on. You go road. Come, lift it up. Lift up, now lift up the bottom part.
The bottom.
Do this.
Whoa.
Go deal with the driver. No, the lay settle. Good over. Smart.
No, one.
You can walk around here, sir?
Yeah. So I turn it long way.
I walk around the kitchen.
The way fuck off.
Long way.
Yeah. I'll move this and drop this because I think it's not where we were.
No, it's this.
You chest that jar.
To go on this, so.
Night kitchen?
Yes. Just that. Ah. Oh, that. Mommy.
Mommy, I said,
Look at that. That's here. Yeah, Mama,
Yeah, talk about
Toko, excited.
Put us some more sleep, we don't know.
stop jumping.
Guys, as you can see.
Nana, you push it in.
Wow. So come here.
Yeah, sweet.
You're sweat.
Don't think
Oh, is that kitchen this other than here, sir? Yeah.
I'm working.
So are you build this?
Yeah, man.
So you can build?
Yeah, man, all the house on me. I just line with the pace, man. I just line out the foundation. So many dep on east and speed, man. Everything I made, put everything, man.
Cause it look like you have to go other than the next room for the
Yeah,
girls.
that may I pray, that may I pray, man. I start to the picture of me out of way.
Yeah. Yeah, man, because if I even that we have to go, try to get the help.
Yeah.
So, yeah, because,
The man, we have to move, because it's a brief face, you know.
yeah.
You want to sleep on it? Sit up. Yeah, it's a move back. Which way you want to sleep on that one, yeah? Eh? Sit down, go with it. Tell them about it.
Guys, alright guys, so as you can see, the bed is here, but the place is kind of small, so we have to try and utilize some space, so as you can see, we are at the back part, so this is where the kitchen is added on to the house. This is like the back door as well too. We added on to the house. So as you can see, is the father that built this as well too. So at least him can do some work. Him know how to build. So that's good. What's up? At least.
Yeah.
So they really have to go try for. Nana, what's up, Nana?
A two for
You
your
good?
house. That's why you can see this as
Feel like from a tattoo? Hey.
I let me go on there for them happy. No, the phone.
Most,
Yeah, the phone, pretty phone.
Bag, next bag with the charger.
The shirt nasty.
Yeah. Watch your lower. And this.
Shirt nasty.
No, you have one more phone. Two of them lower.
Yeah.
See, then see one back.
How much?
One.
How much your phone there?
Another phone are there. Camera.
How much it there?
They're about 10%.
I remember the something you say I can bring. That's I remember the something. You know, I bring the camera.
Let me see it. Nana, look here.
And then you live in the water.
Yes, it's a shame that remember. Turn it on. Turn it on.
See it?
Turn it. Also, you have to turn it back on.
This.
Eh?
Nana, what you doing?
Hi.
You know, come, the light.
Oh, hold on. Let me see what I'm going now.
See right.
Uno, bye-bye.
Hey, calm down.
Uno, bye-bye.
Sit up.
Talker. Come on, brother.
Talk. You know, my thing is space is a bit more bigger.
You have to turn it that way now.
The long way.
Or you move some, but you can't block the safe way.
Yeah.
You just have to come more.
Mommy, you want food?
What are you now helping?
Where you there? You out there? Ava. Come in.
What?
Come on.
She want to go on the bed.
Wait, you still go on the bed?
On top she want to go.
Come in, come help him.
But you should have got a weird there.
No,
Oh,
that
walk on the
better
phone.
help. That better help you.
Yeah, this one is right.
All
Alright, Toko.
10 pesos. What is this? 10 pesos. 10 pesos. 10 pesos. 10 pesos. 10 pesos.
We have put this in the kitchen.
Yeah, Timothy.
It is. Something like that.
Tattoo. Open in the new.
White something.
Hmm?
Feel. I feel him.
I don't know. One life, one chance. He said one life, one chance. Yeah.
Ah, boy.
Get this one. All together.
Not your gentle.
Look how sticker. Roll out by
You see it. You see it.
this roll out the sticker there.
Well,
Go long.
Not right now.
last year.
No. More than last year. This milk more.
Hey, excuse
How old are you?
8.
8.
8 years.
And
me.
Campbell.
Marina Nas.
Yeah, because we have to bring in the mattress and the bed. Toko Loco. Is she giving trouble now? And she don't want to talk? Well, I'll stay right here out of the way.
Seneca. No, this is going our kitchen. I'm going our kitchen. No, but
You can manage? Hold on.
Yay!
But the space in the kitchen neither.
It's either right or so.
Space in the kitchen.
Excuse me. Mommy tired, bye. Sweet and oh, the man.
I forgot the car and come back.
For the battery.
Yeah, I forgot for the battery and come back. Yeah, put this. Stay right this one.
We can cook outside
Yeah.
and then bring in the pot. No?
Make it stay.
No, this one.
And your phone couldn't continue though.
Coffee can come back quick, man.
Inside the snacks them.
What's the snacks then?
Yeah.
Let's stay right there.
Because the rain that fall, there's some mother not sell them. No?
So if I take out back the mattress then?
That has come out.
Boom! Boom!
Oh, that's the one?
Yeah.
In gone down a river.
More call him. Boom!
Mommy, you got funny for you?
Yeah. Boom! Forward now.
Yeah, no, I put it on the boat.
Oh.
Come on, don't put it. Put your side.
Move from around there. Pull it now. Yeah, turn it long way.
The same day.
Hey, let me stop on that stuff. Stop.
Stop it. Move, Kimo. Move. If you never seen nobody in a box, so move. Stop it now.
Kids, you come outside a little bit. You come, Cram, come outside, kids.
Look how they now, some of them.
You wash it back. Come.
No, they have to come for mine, no.
Come, Nana, you come out. Come on.
I like to do and walk around here.
No, I just then have to put on my clothes. No.
Yeah.
The foot.
Oh, the foot pop off?
My father bed, Papa.
Okay, excuse.
Come.
Why for them bed,
Excuse,
Papa?
I'm not the bed.
No, hold on, Nana, wait. Nana, you come, Nana. Oh.
So this easy for Bob?
No. Yes, tight. No, come out, Toko. No, come.
Tara. Come on, sister. Tara.
Nana, come on. Come now, Nana. Come. Come on, Father. Whoa, the bed fall apart. Let's see.
This way on the last one. Come out. Turn on the last one.
What's up, your finger?
Inside.
Still like it too small, you know?
Go for your room.
Oh, see, they can pass the room, then the mattress, and then you somebody that.
My sister got
Look like it still can't hold.
Yes, down. Sorry, you need it.
No,
Now, when you know, pull on to my body, I'm take care of this, and bring it up.
Now, if that's going to lean it up in here, definitely gonna need a extension. You know? You have to go extend.
When I put the chest jam, move it still.
Yeah. Okay, this there so?
No, like for the chest jam, you couldn't go away neither.
What, put this over there, so?
One inch and some have to go use.
Yeah, would I use that door they are round the sun?
Yeah. If the two of them can't hold,
So the two of them could have also, you think?
them have to try.
You have to try.
I lock off one door.
Yeah.
The other one, the other one.
no, look off two of them.
But wait. Oh, you can't lock this one.
Try.
Right now, down. Too white.
You could check the size of the mattress card. The size of the mattress is supposed to be the same thing as both at work.
Take a single bed. Take a single bed.
Yeah. When me ask, I said double could have wall. So I get the double. because what that ended? So that end, yeah.
Daddy.
Alright. So put it.
No, that's it.
No, I say I do it. No, you do it for me, so. Look, no, you do it for me, so. One end there, so. Put next end, put it on the post, put it on the post there. Right. So it's gonna be yes, so under there, so. So, me next end. Put that next end. Look at it. Try to put it along way. That's like very tight, but it to the first was a few time being. Yeah, few time being. So if I bring the mattress from on that side, do the mattress come on that side. Yes, make him come inside with the mattress. So. Boom, when you get up off of the bed, when you get up off of the bed. Well, no, go that way. Go that way. Go that way. Boom, what last side? Wait, no, we are coming, you know. You are go stop.
Oh, me I go stop.
No, so you are go, and we are coming on that side.
Talker.
Put it to you.
No, put it to the corner.
Put it to you.
It's almost that wall.
To the corner. At the corner, that's come.
Bring it down for me.
Excuse.
Turn the mattress up. See what I go on.
Daddy.
Tight. Tight.
Why you shock the iron piece like?
And shock you?
Yeah, pass our bed for me.
Yeah, I'll go.
No, I went up.
The bed. On the bed floor.
Father must know.
More likely, a single bed with a wall, and a single bed would never make no sense because they are still too small. See on here. You say if it was a single to the wall, but through the single.
If you part the bed, then you go work to the new bed. Part the bed up now, you don't work.
Yeah. So, what the plan for do then there? And get
Is it me, George?
No man, no, so the best thing to do, you need like an extension.
Yeah, that's.
You know? And the best thing that I gonna, you need an extension. Yeah. Because you can't extend go that way though. Go forward. You're more on the width. If I extension, I put add on a room then.
Yeah, that means that through a room, me that through up on the front.
Yeah. Yeah.
What is this here?
So guys, so let me need an extension. Yeah, so guys, so basically, right, because she would contact the mom and she said the double bed, you know, could have hole inside with the next bed. So apparently the double bed cannot hold, you know, with the next double one. The space are too small, so they definitely gonna need an extension, you know. And the father said he's the one that built this, you know, the daddy, he's the one that built this. So basically, you know, so if we get some donation for them to get some material, you know, and the dad can buy the material, the dad can do some building. So they probably need some more board, you know, and a few zinc Yeah. Yeah, so they definitely need that extension for the next bed to hold. So might as well indicate an extension, isn't it? But him say yes, so I will make that plan for add on for the girls then.
Just on a space. You can do it. You can be in the show. Rise it up and then dump it. You just have more space and only the limit. You only set limiting.
Yeah.
You can be out with it.
Alright, so puppy, we really have to go on then because we notice you're a builder. Right? Yeah, so we have to just get some more material then and just try to add on another room for them. You know, so if we go forward, the space still not big enough, you think?
If we go forward, you have a nice space, man, because the whole of the side dig down, I just move
okay.
back a wall, build back a wall, dig down back this stuff.
Okay.
Yeah, because I come here on the level and just build a wall and dig it down, you know.
I'm building.
If you see when up here did look,
Yeah.
it was just bush alone.
Okay.
Yeah,
If you can make sure come off for the breast 1 minute. Yeah. Come on to the video. Yeah man, so that have to go on then, right? So we have to just ask for some support then for that, so we can get some material. As I say, you can just go and buy 1 and 2 stuff then with where we go now. Yeah? So that I have to go do. So we want to get some donation.
Breast.
Fix it. Alright then. Terry no one got daddy. Mommy have for court money. Shall while I shall sleep. Alright then, so we have some donation here for now. You know, and so we have 14,000 here. Talk out bear. So we have 14,000 here from Anonymous. You know, don't want no name to be called. So it's like, can come on and say like how shop the name and just count it, yeah. So that's 14,000 from Anonymous, you know, for cranberry, you know, which is, you know, the mom responsible for it. So that's 14,000. So you can tell Anonymous, thank you.
Anonymous, thank you so much.
Cranberry.
And may God bless you and make your food basket never be empty. And thank you for helping out the girls and everybody that's been helping. I want to say a warm thank you from my heart to you.
Thank you.
Cranberry, so tell Anonymous, thank you.
Animals, thank you
Okay.
very much.
Then Nana, come Nana. So someone sent something for you also to Nana, you know, to help us. Stand up there, Nana. So Nana, we have 14,000 as well for you, Nana.
Thank you very much.
And this first is also Anonymous from Hollywood. So let's count it for Nana. Well, Nana, don't take it out yet.
5,000.
So 5 and 5 how much?
10,000.
So it's 14,000 from Anonymous turnaround. So tell
Thank you very much, Animals.
from Hollywood.
From
Hollywood. Yeah. Toko, you're hiding. Alright, so I also have another $5,000 a year from another Anonymous, you know, from New Jersey. So Connor Esther, so that's $5,000 from my next Anonymous from New Jersey. So let the mama tell them thanks.
Thank you from New Jersey so much for helping out the children. And may God bless you.
Alright then. So I also have another donation here from this is from Miss Dolores. You know, she said it's sponsored by slippers and clothes, you know, for the kids them. You know, buy slippers and clothes for the kids them. So I was gonna say you can help out what's needed because I'm definitely gonna need extension. You know, for this bed, and you're gonna need space for the girls them for the future because they definitely gonna need that for the future. Right, so this is 43,000 here from Miss Dolores from the USA. So Esther count that. sticking. Yeah, so that's 43,000 from Miss Dolores from the USA.
Thank you, Dolores from the USA so much. And may God bless you this Christmas. And I hope you will get a gift from anyone that's out there that's watching this for helping us a lot.
Alright then, so alright then guys, so I want to thank each and every one and thank you so much, I want to thank you guys so much, for supporting Cranberry family, we thank you so much. As you can see, where the help is also needed, so the bed is from the Overcomers, we have to give thanks, we have to thank the Overcomers so much for the bed, they're the one that purchased the bed, so you can tell the Overcomers thank you.
Thank you, Overcomers, so much for the bed for the girls. And you see it, them even jump up on it and they not even put on it.
Yes.
Come say thanks.
Come, so thank you, Overcomers.
Thank you so much, Overcomers, for the bed.
Thank you.
Overcomers.
Overcomers to the bed.
Yeah. Toko! Come here, Toko. Stop hiding.
Thanks for the bed.
Say thanks for the bed.
Jabal. Thanks for the bed.
She knows what she wants. Alright. So we also want to thank the Overcomers as well too for purchasing the bed, for the family. So as I say, the moment they said the double bed could have worked, but apparently the space kinda small. So for the best thing, the good thing, the father is a builder, so with the support them can definitely help themselves with a little extension, so them probably gonna need little material which is more than zinc, right? Right, Papi?
Yeah.
So you probably need some board and stuff.
Yeah, that's not good.
Yes. So
the foundation first and set it and then the
can him say if him say okay, so him say yeah, can him say once him dig down the wall.
You can dig down this, you can nice.
in order than to set this one and put it
No, me just say there's some more you like, I say that take holy for black and
come
come up. Yeah, look black wire from down, dig it down now, yeah.
Okay, so him know him thing. So as I say, the donation, whenever you collect, if you can sew and you can, try to help yourself same way. Meanwhile, if you come here, the viewers them can see, alright, at least when you buy some things, So
I'm going to do tomorrow too. I'm going to try buy even 4 cement that him can start. Me can help him bring this on. As I see him can bring it, so me and the girls will help him when they come from school, them will try. So by the time when you come back, but just get the cement and try help him.
Yeah, so you can buy 1 and 2 stuff,
Yeah, they are popping, when they're coming up.
Yeah, and then you're going to need some board and stuff. So if you can just go and do that for the time being, so while them soon are try helping themselves, they will try and help you also. Because I say the help is really needed. Right, kids? Yeah, man. And just go and do the right thing, because kids them is the future, and so I'm going to leave you now, right? So bye-bye, Nana. High five. Cranberry. Good shot. Bye-bye. Toko Loco. Bye-bye, Toko. Bye-bye. All she want is fear, best. Papi, look a bit, yeah? Alright, mommy.
Bye.
Alright then. Yeah. Give the general something because him help out. Okay. Yeah?
Yeah, man.
Alright. Look a bit. Later, Papi.
Yes.
So yeah, no good for bring it in and everything, yeah?
Yeah, man.
Alright then. Boom, come in, head out from the road. It's dark now, guys. Get it night.
If you want to say safe journey, heading home.
Yeah, thanks.
I made that keep on hearing me.
Alright then, thank you. Yeah. Yeah, cause I dig up there so and kinda it's like when I build a retaining wall like behind it. So I have more space here so. Yeah, stone them use for the retaining wall. So them that dig off right there so. So I have more space, you know.
Okay, so more materials to build from yes and down.
Yes. So I have the retaining wall there so. You know him thing because I build this so. You know. I remember say storm come, everything come and it still stand firm same way. So him know him a do so. I need some support to get some material, you know. Esther, watch your walk coming down. I wish you again. Yeah, last my walk. No sir. Oh, other way. Never lost my way. Right. Well, I tell myself, yo, no wait for me, I come. I tell myself, you know. Oh, why you know? Esther, your job? Get up my job. Esther, get up my job. Wait. No wait, man, no wait. Oh, no wait. Guys, Esther never job, she fall down. No sir. Esther, get up my hair drop. Me ear to sleep. These kids are. No. Them have light there, so. Let's say I walk in the water there, so. These are crime. Jump like Coco. Eh? What are the water? Yeah. Jump cross there, so it's. Remember last time you jump, you know? I exercise when you jump. It's cold. Cold? Man, I got beard there. Somebody a beard. Somebody said it's cool and them used to it for beard, you know. But you know, you once you live up here, you used to it. Cause it's cool, yes. Oh, sir. Let's let my slide again. Walk down in the flat here, so. Yes, the storm is over now. Toco Loco. What's up? Tell them. Go and get 2 hours. Tap your knife.
Bring it to school.
So school if you go, you get food later.
Then na cook lunch at school.
So I say you get
bun and cheese. We're buying.
good. Go home now. And go on up before the river come down. Let go the door. You spoil my lock. You spoil my lock. You. Stop it. Leave it. Leave it. You get that cut, boom? Oh, Duke you.
You, Daddy.
Alright then, later. Toko, see you later, okay? Miss.
How about that?
Come now, man. Go on now.
Daddy, please.
Later. Later.
Go away.
You tell daddy go away? I tell you tell daddy go away? I gonna punish you. Bye bye, Toko. High five. Fix up your face. And don't cry when I'm gone. Bye bye, Nana. Cranberry. Don't cry when I'm gone, okay? She vex. Chew me, I go away. Alright, man, I'll go away, I go stay. Yeah? Man, now about to go away, Cranberry. Me, I really got our daddy.
You see, Chushki them get the Elvis. Is how things work, right?
Alright, guys, so I'm back here in Trenchtown now, you know, after the mission, because trust me, it was a hectic traffic coming down, saying it's night right now. So I'm back here in Trenchtown, and I got some donation, you know, got some names, you know, some donation from Oliver and Carla, you know, blessing some of the members them, you know, blessing the members them, you know, we have to give thanks to Oliver and Carla, you know, so that is the mission now. So like I'm here, I'm gonna Prefect name is also on the list, but prefect is not here as yet, neither. You know, so this is who they are now. We have obviously, you know, Boom is here. You know, you have Jax here. You have Woe here.
Oh, yes, man, you see.
You know, or run out of breath. They
Yeah.
you know.
No one say when we move the man come here.
Talpi. Tatisha, come in. Come in, Baja. Come in. Come in, Light Parks. Alright, then, so guys, so we have some. So, I have a donation differently for run out of bread. Gary,
Yeah.
we have 3,000 a year for you. Differently, you know.
Yeah.
This is from Liquidu. Yeah, Nutsy. White van, you know, from Church Avenue. It's 3,000 a year for you.
Look at you,
Not say
white van.
Yeah, from Church Avenue.
From Church Avenue. God bless you. Thanks a lot. Respect.
Yeah, so we give thanks. Alright, cool. Alright, so we have a list here with some donation from Oliver and Carla. You know, Oliver and Carla send a drink for the members them. You know, we have a list of 2 names. You know, and we have Talpi there. Anything goes. So we have Talpi as well too. Talpi, come through there. So we have a donation for Talpi from Oliver and Carla.
Oliver and Carla.
Yes.
What if I love Oliver and Carla? What if I respect, you know? You hear that? Straight.
So
Raccoon family, what if I respect, you know?
Yeah.
Yeah, what if I blessing?
Alright, so we have $100 here for you.
$100.
From Oliver and Carla.
Oliver, bless again and what if I love, what if I respect. One love, one team, Gene team.
Yeah, we have Baja. Baja, we have $100 here as well from Oliver and Carla.
Yes, love and appreciation, Oliver and Carla. Trust me, Royal family of Dream Team. Never leave we heart and never forget us. We always have you in our thought and our mind and everything our prayer. Respect and thanks again. Bless
Yes,
up.
every time. And we have boom. We have $50 a year for you from Oliver and Carla.
Yeah, Oliver and Carla, thanks, blessed, you know, say I'm a mother and father, like, blessed.
Yeah. And we have Resort Granny. She not baby anymore because she turned grand now, you know. So we have $50 a year for you from Oliver and Carla.
Big up yourself, Oliver and Carla, my mother and my father. My food basket never run dry. Big up and bless up, respect.
Alright, and we have whoa, you know. So we have $50 a year for your wow, you know.
Yeah.
To go in a new
Mansion, you know.
no man, a woman have mansion.
Girl, Shan. Oh, sorry about that. Sorry about that.
Yeah.
Him say it to me first. I want to tell you about and the mistake in my girl, Shan. You hear that? Yeah, man. You see me, I say. Yeah, man. Oliver and Carla, you don't know my style already from two art, them, you know. You know. All for love, you know. All for blessing, you know. You see me, I say Oliver and Carla. Blessed love, you know. Thank you very much, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
Every
Set it
time.
there, man.
Yeah.
See you, Oliver and Carla.
Yeah. And we have Light Parks as well to $50 a year for you from Oliver and Carla.
Oliver and Carla, many thanks, and all the blessings, and Merry Christmas and Happy New Year when it comes, yeah. More love.
Alright. And we have Rasta Jackson as well too. We have $50 a year for you from Oliver and Carla.
Yes, Oliver and Carla, no respect, love you every time for everything, That's why a guy don't come in here, and go in here, every time, Big up on yourself every time, more love we say. Yeah.
See
Big up
there.
yourself every time, love every time,
Alright, so we have Jenna coming at the same time. Come in, Jenna. We have $50 a year for you from Oliver and Carla.
Oliver and Carla, holy for blessing, you know. Thank you very much. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year when it coming up. May the good Lord bless you and keep you safe. Always safe, yeah. Thanks.
Alright, yeah, man. Alright, so Prefect is not here, you know, so that is a donation from Oliver and Carla. I want to give him a huge thanks, you know, to my round of applause for Oliver and Carla, you know. There it goes, already. So Jella, so we have Elena is here, so we have a donation here from our adopted, you know, our next mama, you know. So we have a $100 here for you, Elena, from Patricia. That's one of the nurses from the Sunrise team. Right, so here's your $100 from Pat. So you can tell Pat thanks.
Thank you, Auntie, for everything that you do for me. Thank you for sending the money so that I can get my Christmas present.
Yeah.
Because when you come, you promise me it and you really make it come true. Thank you for everything. Make your food basket never empty. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year when it comes.
Alright, well done. That is from Pat from the Sunrise team, you know. Let me say, we have to give thanks, you know, we give thanks. Let me say, Prefect is not here, so we give thanks. There's nothing but blessings, you know. Oh, Chef.
Yeah, man.
You know, it was a wonderful house opening.
Yes, man.
You know, $50 for you when you go to New York. And anything goes. And you still have the $20, so you have $70.
Yeah, man, so New York, that's safe, you know, so you don't know.
Yeah.
See me, I say, no, anytime, you know.
Yeah.
Twice. You see me?
Twice. Alright. Yeah, man, so. Yeah, man, so we give thanks, Oliver and Carla. We thank you so much, you know. We thank you so much, Oliver and Carla, you know, every time. Your team really appreciate it. You know, it's been a while, let me see your face, but you don't know the thing already. You know, in the future, again, for sure. You know, Oliver will be there in the place, see me. And Pat, thank you so much. You know, the Sunrise team, you know, we thank you so much, you know. I know Natisha turned granny.
Yes, man.
I always have to ask her, how does it feel to be a granny? You know? Well, she's a new Granny Jella. So just come. Yeah. You see that? She's in the Grand Market. Yeah.
Grand 1, Grand 2 and
Grand 3. Yes. So welcome to the...
Yeah, Grand 1.
Yeah, man. So we give thanks. So let's close off and say, dream team.
One team.
I know I eat that, you know. So blessed love to all. See it there. Yes, I got back to see this now. Alright, that's how it goes. Yeah. Alright, guys. So the wind that came for Wow Chef.
So here we can do.
Kitchen window. You got to go veg.
No, when you do it, you just drop piece of lard or so. Just drop piece of lard, but this is it. Yeah, no, lard, that's it. Lard piece of lard. Take out that straight. As you now,
One of them dealers, let me know when they can pass through. Drop it in.
Because, alright, yeah. Because you see this now, you don't have to lick yourself. When I say cut it, yeah, cut it back. No, join it back. Don't cut it, so join it back. Cut this one.
And drop it.
Drop it in the pot and then just drop this independently. And make it stay right there. Just cut out right here, so I'm cut out over this. Drop the piece of board and drop this wait to go. But yes, I for piece of this I for cut off. See. Good.
Yeah, good. Alright, so we have a window now for the kitchen shop. So you know, so I say the shop is under construction. So upon rolling up back, you know, they'll do back the drying as well till the artwork will get back done. You know, so we'll put him at the window and we have to do back some painting.
Oh, you have to put up back something.
Yeah, we'll do back the artwork. I think the lighting who's come do it. And then we have to do back some paint back over here. But as I said, there was an accident that took place in our vehicle. Literally run inside the shop. You know, a vehicle run inside the shop. So we have to like reconstruct it back. Yeah, so no one never get hurt. You know, that's the greatest thing. So we get the window now and so we got the window.
That one I ready make, you know. Ready make. Yeah, that one I make for fitting.
That one I do.
Yeah, this make for fitting, so this is a nice guy can sideways.
Yeah.
That one you have to push it up.
Yeah. I have come here if it's still going on.
Now come the fire. I'm going to put that in the shop. I'm going to leave the light on from what there. Prefect. Let me leave the light on from what there.
Yeah, man. Most likely coming up there. You can lock, you have a key.
Yeah.
Just lock him off.
Prefect, you just arrived. Right on time. We have 50 year fire from Oliver and Carla.
Oh, gosh.
Oliver and Carla.
Really appreciate enough love and thanks. It come at the right time. You see it? Put at the right time.
Put the right time.
Bless up on yourself, you know. As I say, the New Year's you don't know. You have a special greeting so bless up on yourself, one love.
Yeah.
Thanks. Extended family.
Yeah. Alright, so that's see the top there, you know. Prefect coming right on time. So you know it goes already, so. Watch out now, you see life in Jamaica. You hear that Kiri Acoustics fully endorsed that YouTube channel there. You hear that? Watch out now, no. Keep trying, keep moving. Someday we will make it there. It's gonna be a better day. Gonna be a better end.